Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of Jazz by Jon Renau's Oh So Light collection in the color 102 S8, also known as Shaded Cream. Oh, Jazz. Somebody on my website gave this a less than stellar review, and I think it's just because they didn't really know what they were ordering. So I figure if I review it, now people will know, and then we won't run into that problem, now will we? So I love these super duper light platinum, dramatic, rooted colors, especially on these sort of shaggy cuts. So I figured this would be a good one for this color. A 102 is a really light platinum. It's got a bit of a beige tint to it with just a teeny bit of gold, but I mean it's mostly neutral. And then the root here is an S8, which is a medium brown, but up against that platinum it just looks really dark. But the great thing is, helps my sideburns blend in. Hey. So yeah, that's why I like these rooted colors, because they're easier for me to pull off personally, because my bio hair is so dark. But yeah, anyhow, I think this is a cute little shag. It weighs like nothing. It weighs 2.3 ounces, so it's very, very lightweight. It's very flippy and flared in the back. It's basically just a little shake and go wig. It's meant to be kind of messy, so let me mess this one up for you. I love how the rooting gives this such a dynamic look when you play with the texture. So yeah, kind of cool. You can get a lot of body from this one. There's a fair amount of permatease on the top of this wig. But it's definitely the kind of style that looks better messy, for sure, than if you try to slick it down. The front is 4.25, but it's got a slight curl to it, which makes it perfect, because then you don't have to worry about whether or not you can wear it down. It never flops down in my eyes. I find this a really great bang. It's very comfortable on. The sides are 3.25, but you know what? The rest of these measurements don't really matter much because it's so heavily layered. The nape is 2.5 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around so you can see what this one looks like on all sides. Now I'm going to go ahead and take Jazz off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Jazz has an open cap with a generous amount of permatease here in this spade pattern right here. There's also soft fuzzy felt here at the front hairline. The ear tabs are open, which will make it easy to wear glasses with Jazz. Very, very stretchy cap, super stretchy cap. Very stretchy in the back, but more stretchy at the perimeter. Felt nape, the extended nape, and it does have adjustable Velcro tabs. I find this wig super comfy. Look how stretchy that is! This wig will accommodate a wide variety of head shapes and sizes. Here's what the top of that wig looks like with all that permatease. And so you can get a better look at this color. It's a really, really pretty platinum color. You can tell how beige it is. Very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on for you now. Shake, 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 because it's a shake and go. And just throw it on. Was a little bit Rod Stewart looking for a minute, so I'm just going to tame it for a moment. And there you go. That's all you need to do to this wig. So I don't understand why this one has a 1-star review on my website, but I publish reviews from most verified buyers as long as they don't cuss or attack me personally. So I published that one even though I disagreed with it. But I think this one, I think this one deserves a revisit. So if you've been thinking about this one, think about it again. It's a comfortable wig. It comes in a wide variety of colors, and it's also really accommodating. In the color Shaded Cream, which is also known as 102 S8. This is a Jon Renau wig. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching my videos, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye-bye.